Hello friends, how are you all? Hope you are all doing good. Yes, I am also doing better. So welcome to my channel Perfume Pages. So today I am taking you through the basics of the perfume so that you can choose and appreciate the perfume very wisely with confidence. Yes, so choosing the perfume is very important because perfumes enhances your self-confidence, enhances your behavior, enhances your body language. So in front of others we have to showcase ourselves very confident, very rich and very elegant. That is why choosing of the perfume is very important in the daily life of ours. It is mainly perfume. So perfume, it is a blend of essential oils, aroma and solvents and very complex compounds. Yes, so with all these mixtures, perfume will give a beautiful sniff on our nose. Yes, when we sniff the perfume, it will give a very nice blend of all these elements. So this is called perfume. So hope you are all see these things. I am not telling that you don't know, but it is my duty as a fag head. I need to inform all my friends very basics of the perfume, because still many of our friends are not knowing about the basics of the perfume. Okay, so jumping into the deep, going into the deep, I am going to tell another most important things of the perfume. The notes. Yes, the notes, the pyramid. So what is pyramid? Yeah, don't get astonished, it is nothing. Yeah, notes means it is like the pyramid structure in the perfume. If you take one perfume, so the pyramid structure will be triangle like shape, no, like this. Yes, in that if you make three layers, so if you make three layers, that is top notes, middle notes and the base notes, so this will make the pyramid in the perfume regarding the notes. Yes, so what are top notes? Top notes, it may be anything. So when you choose the perfume, when you sniff, what you will get to notice in top notes, you will mainly perfume makers will use citrus notes, bergamot notes and sweet vanillic notes. In the base notes, what you will get to see, patchouli notes and vetiver notes and some nutmeg notes, all will come into the play in the middle notes. And in the base notes, what you will get to see, so you will get to see very rich highly enhanced notes like oud. So what is oud? It is nothing but sandalwood, cedarwood, agarwood, very woody in nature, because these notes are very highly concentrated and costly also. That is why many of the perfume makers will not use them the top, and if they use it on the top notes, the perfume will be very costly. Yes, so that is why the base notes considers very wood fragrances mostly in our perfume industry. Comes concentrations. Yes, so concentrations means we have four types of concentration which are mainly used in the perfume industry. So concentration defines the strength and lasting power of the perfumes. Yes, so I am telling the four types of concentrations. The first one comes perfum, PARFUM. Yes, it is called as perfa. In brackets, you can call it as extrait the perfum. It will be having nearly 25 to 30% of concentration, and it is very long lasting. It may last more than 9 to 10 hours plus. Yes, this is called as perfa or extract the perfa. So next comes EDP. Yes, EDP, it is the full form is eau de perfa. Yes, eau de perfa, it consists mainly 15 to 20% oil, and it will last about 4 to 6 or 7 hours maximum. Yes, and next comes EDT, eau de toilette. Eau de toilette is 15 to 5 to 15% of oil will be having, and it will long last about 3 to 4 hours, maximum 5 hours also. So next comes EDC, that is eau de cologne. Eau de cologne is 2 to 4% of oil, and it can last about 2 to 2.5 hours maximum. Yes, it is the very lighter version in the perfume industry. So who sometimes people will choose eau de toilette. Some people will be having that much not friendly in nature with the perfume, so they will choose eau de toilette. So they are having the desire of performing their perfume about 4 to 5 hours, they can choose eau de toilette. Some are having the desires that their perfume should perform more than 8 hours, 9 hours, they can perform. They can select EDP or extract the perfa, that is perfa. Okay, yes. So how to choose your perfume? It is very personal and subjective. Okay, so whenever you visit a perfume store or shopper stop or whatever, in a mall, if you go to shopper stop, you visit anyway, you will visit the perfume section. So as soon as you take the perfume and spray on your hand, like on this, you get to sniff, no? So let it blend it with your chemistry, let it blend it with your inner heart. You will be having some desire in your heart, so let it blend it with your chemistry, and that makes in choosing the perfume very wise and very selective and very interactive with the blend of the perfume. Yes, so application of the perfume is very important. So after selecting the perfume, after you buy the perfume, how to apply on your body, how to apply on your clothes, that plays very important role. So I suggest you to spray on the pulse points, like on the hands, on the underarm you can spray, and behind the neck and around the shoulders. These are all the pulse points, and I request to hold the bottle 5 to 6 inches near your body. Don't spray near to your body very much. Okay, at least you should require 5 to 6 inches far than your body. Yes, so avoid rubbing the perfume. So if you spray on your skin, don't rub on your whole skin, I request. Yes, so these are all the main things you have to know about the perfume. Yes, you have to know about the perfume. These are the very main vital things. So apart from this, there is another that is very bit complex, but I also don't want to jump into that, because only perfume makers can understand how it will perform, how it will mix with the seasons. So yes, another one thing I want to suggest. See, perfumes, when you spray, if you wear a polyester cloth, it doesn't last very long, because polyester is always it is not cotton in nature. So polyester is polyester. So when you spray and go outside, easily the perfume can evaporate. But in cotton clothes, since it is cotton in nature, the cloth will absorb your fragrance, perfumes scent. Okay, hence it will perform more. Yes, this is another one main thing. Sorry, I forgot to tell. Clothing is also very important. So choose wisely with your perfume, the clothing. So friends, I am concluding this video. So these are the main basics of the perfume that you need to know while choosing the perfume. Friends, hope you like this video and share this video, which is whoever finds the perfume is a daily integral part of their life. Yes, they should be knowing all these things. So if you like this video, please give thumbs up, and if you don't like this video, please dislike and suggest what are all the things I need to improve and what are all the things you would love to hear from me. Yes, so I'm signing off. So meet you with the next video shortly. Bye.